What is going on, guys? I'm Juan here with autoaddictusa. I hope you're having a great day today. Today is a day that we've been waiting to do a video on how to install an Evo diffuser. Well, if you guys haven't noticed, the Evo Gloss Black Diffuser is currently sold out on pre-order. You guys crush it on all your orders. But this is the video where you guys get to see every single detail of what needs to be taken off right behind me to make sure you understand how to install from A to Z. Without further ado, let's get started and install this Evo Gloss Black Diffuser for our good client, Juan. There it is, guys. As you can see, the Evo Diffuser, which is the last local install for our good client, Juan. Juan is an amazing customer. We'll put some before footage right now. He got a wrap done. He got the Z01 bumper, the Velux taillights, the Z28 wheels, and a full wrap on his entire Gen 5. Well, he came in for a little bit of a warranty touch-up on the wrap that we had to take care of it, and he was like, you know what, might as well. It's the last one. Let's knock it out and get it done. It's gonna fit his exhaust tips, which is the dual tips. What we're gonna do is remove the OEM one for you guys and give you the breakdown of what to remove or what screws are being used and get at it from there. Let's get started. What are the screws that's required to get this Gen 5 off your vehicle? Well, the first thing is there's a 7mm right here that you get to take out, and there's 3 T15s right on the side of the wheel well right here. This will allow the side of the bumper get loose 100%. But when we remove them, all you gotta do is kind of push out this bumper, but you gotta be extra careful right over here. Right where the taillight bracket is, there's 2 tabs that holds the rear bumper. What I like to do is kind of push it out a little bit, put a little pick in there, and then push it out so that way it releases the pressure off the leg of the clip so I won't break the clip at all. Alright guys, after we went over how to remove on the side screws on both left and right side, when it comes to the middle side of the bumper right here, there's 2 clips that's fully easily to remove. No need to get a screwdriver or anything, just get a flathead and kind of pop open the clip in there so it can fully be free from the actual bracket. Now with that being said, on the bottom, we specifically took the bumper and put it on a bumper stance for you guys so you guys can see. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 T15s or 7mm. It depends. Some of those cars do come used, and other shops or other dealerships, they end up doing a T15 or 7mm, but they both work. Just make sure you see which screw is on there so you can remove it. And then right over here, which is another T15 or 7mm on both sides of the rear diffuser. Now the whole bumper is off the vehicle. Now it's time to remove the license plate frame. And then on the back side of this right here, before we attach it, we gotta remove the OEM diffuser to make sure we get the bumper fully naked to install the Evo diffuser. So as you can see, the bumper has a lot of old wrap or tape or zip tie right here to hold so it won't rip the actual material. But we don't wanna flip the bumper upside down so we can prevent from scratching the wrap or your paint. Without further ado, we're gonna get Brandon to put this white foam kind of cover up in a way so when we flip the bumper upside down, it's not getting scratched or moved, so we'll make sure we're maintaining the product with zero liability or mistakes in regards to scratching the wrap or the paint. Now we're gonna remove all the wiring on this OEM backside of the diffuser, remove the license plate lights, and then go over all the details of what needs to be removed on the factory diffuser. In order to remove the factory diffuser, there's 2 steps to this process. The first step is Brandon right now is releasing anything that's attached to this factory rear bumper diffuser, meaning the license plate by simply either clipping them out, or the sensor. If you have sensor harnesses, you also got to remove them. And then your license plate lamps harness, you can also press the little clip or kind of go in a circle and take it out itself, and then get a clipper removal by removing it from the plastic trim right here. When the harness is fully detached from the actual bumper itself, the next move will be, if I go around over here, we'll be removing this black protection bar from the rear bumper to get it 100% loose, to get access to all the clips right here to remove from the bumper. We're almost done, we're almost there. Let's show you guys this step first before we get to the diffuser. Right here, I just want to let you know, so everything has been removed. All the harnesses, the license plate ramps, the sensors, and all the side marker harnesses are ready to rock and roll. Now, I'm kind of vibing out where the pressure mount is, where this black protection bar on the rear bumper is being held. So I see 2 points. There's a point right over here. There's a plastic teeth that's held on by the bracket, and I go over to the middle. It looks like I have another one right here, another one right here as well. So I have 1, 2, 3 and I feel like there's another one right at the end right here. So it will be 4 mountings that I need to get loose to make sure it releases from the actual bumper. How do I do that? You can get a flathead screwdriver or a metal or a plastic clip removal. So you can go ahead and kind of give a little pressure on the opposite direction of the teeth. And then after that, just pull up. It's gonna be a little bit firm and tight, but it's okay, it's plastic. Kind of gotta wiggle a little bit and push it up so that way it can get loose when you put the pressure by pushing backwards the plastic teeth on the bumper itself. So all 4 mounts that's been held with this diffuser has been released from the bumper. So now the bumper is actually bare naked with the diffuser and the factory bumper. The last step, which is fairly easy, the bumper is attached with a bunch of clips right around the outline of the upper side of the diffuser. So we're gonna just go ahead and do the same thing, get a flathead or a clip removal and kind of push the pressure in there and push out. All right guys, so it's very easy, kind of push in with the flathead and then push out. Keep the pressure active with you guys, so as you keep going, push in, push out. So this right here is a little tricky. So obviously we're going backwards on the force, but when you get to this angle going upwards, you gotta push outwards in a way. So with that being said, we're gonna release this teeth that's already on the bumper, which is actually the most firm part of the install. It's okay, you gotta give it some pressure. My boy Brandon right here holding the bumper so it does not fall. Almost there. It's gotta be patient with it, guys. You know, it's very firm fitment, but there we go. And then just get to this part. Now the last one right here, which is the most aggressive one. There we go. So now that this part, the hardest part is this upper motion angle. That's released. The other stuff is very, very easy. Just kind of push down and up and we should be solid. So let's go ahead and finish that. See, just push down and it goes up. Push down and it goes up. Push down. One of the reasons why it's pushing up right away, because as I remove every single clip, the pressure on my other hand is always slowly going up, right? I'm not just gonna keep it nice and loose. We're gonna keep that pressure, so as I keep going up, it's slowly gonna automatically release the pressure from the bumper itself. So I'm gonna move my hand, kind of get closer right here, hold it up, and go from there. As you can see, another one. Here's another one. I'm gonna have Brandon kind of go to the other side and hold this now because I'm getting kind of closer to the end and my wingspan is only so long, so this one will be always recommended to have another set of hands, so that way you guys get all the help that's possibly to make the install easy. So there you go, so push up. There you go. There you go. So push it up. Push up more. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys how much this factory diffuser covers this OEM bumper. So the factory diffuser is off. I'll let Brandon take that away from the bumper stance so we can control the bumper and not drop it. But look how skinny this rear bumper is on a Gen 5. If we even put it back on the vehicle, there's literally the whole entire bumper of the whole frame is shown on the bottom. So that's why that Evo diffuser was actually launched, because one of the crucial things our customers were talking to us on, there's not really a diffuser out in the market that gives the car an aggressive look, and there's not a diffuser that works for both single and quad tips. So when we came out with this product, everybody went crazy on it, and now we're getting to the last piece for our local install over here from Juan. Guys, we're gonna open up the diffuser right now and show you guys everything and install the tabs back. All we're literally doing is reverse engineering all the previous steps that we did so we can install this diffuser on the vehicle. Without further ado, let's complete this look and show you the final look on this amazing wrapped Gen 5. You can see we just reversed everything, reverse engineered the install. We put back the side marker harness. We also will be putting back the clips where it belongs, which is right over here. The sensors on the bumper is also equipped back on the bumper, and then the license plate lights, the reverse camera, and then vice versa right across the other side of the bumper. Now we're gonna finalize all the clips to make sure everything's nice and flush, and we'll show you guys the final fitment right behind me.
Hey guys, this is Drea from Auto Addict. Mo had to take a call, so I will be taking over briefly. Here is the final look of the 2014-15 Evo Style Diffuser. Our Evo Style Diffuser has an aggressive shark fin design with our Evo Style hexagons and a quad tip fitment. If you don't have dual tips, we do provide this attachment for single tip exhausts. Ooh. I hope you like this video on how to install our Evo Diffuser. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button to get notified every time we upload a video. See you on the next one.